Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I am very excited to announce that the channel has reached, or is extremely close, 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for supporting this channel and helping me grow. This has just been incredible. I know I say the same type of stuff every single time, and I always say something like, it seems like just yesterday we were here, but I mean, it's genuine, when you hear people say you never expected, like, and when I tell you guys, I say I didn't expect this to grow this quickly or to reach this point, nowhere near it. So sincerely, thank you. And to show that appreciation, I have, once again, an awesome giveaway with some really cool stuff. I'm going to be revealing this stuff here in a second. There's some stuff here you guys have seen, and there are a couple of items that you have not yet seen. So I hope you guys will stick around to see what's on the table. When is the giveaway? This Friday, August 27th, 2021, of course, depending on, some people watching this way in the future, at 9 o'clock Central Standard Time, 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. I'll be going live. We'll be making a big event out of it. I'll be giving away these items one at a time throughout the course of the live stream. I like to do that because it's fun. There's a lot of people who come in. It's a good time. And it's also, it's fully transparent because we draw randomly live. We'll probably be using some type of random comment picker-esque website like we usually do, but I'll be using the iPad, so you'll see me actually click start and it'll draw the name for everybody to see. So I hope you guys will join. It'll be really fun. It's always exponentially more fun when the people who actually win are in attendance. So 9 o'clock Central Standard Time this Friday night at 9 p.m. 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. I'm saying that twice now. August 27th. What are the rules? As per usual, you must be at least 18 years of age to enter and win. That's how it always has been. That's how it's always going to be. You also need to be able to provide a shipping address within the continental United States. If you live outside the United States, you can absolutely still enter and win. But you have to be able to provide me the shipping address of somebody who lives within the United States so I can ship it to them first. Friend, family member, somebody from the knife community that you trust, right? Work it out with them. They can give me their address, I can ship it to them, and then they can ship it to you. That's how I've always done these. Once I draw your name, you have exactly 1 week to claim your prize. You'll be able to, if you're wondering how to contact me, I'll give you that information when we do the live stream. So how do you enter? All you need to do is leave a comment down below. What I like to do, or what I've been doing here lately when I do giveaways, is just leave a comment of either your favorite upload or the upload that got you to subscribe. I like knowing, which uploads people were watching when they're like, you know what, I kind of want to invest my time in this channel. So that's all you have to do. Leave a comment. Duplicates will not get you any more entries. The system will automatically filter out duplicate comments. So just one entry. So what do we have here? Let's start off with the stuff you guys have seen already. A brand new, even though it doesn't have a box, this is brand new. It was sent by ZT. The ZT0308 BLK TS. You can see right there. CPM 20 CV, US made. I believe these are about $300. Super duper smooth. I think this is, in my opinion, the very best knife that ZT makes. They were kind enough to send me one specifically to give away. So thank you very much to ZT or Kai USA for doing that. I think there are plenty of people who would be very, very happy with this knife. We also have, let's do something that you guys have not seen. I've had this for a while, and this is not a knife, but I think that people who are watching this, you might have a general interest. This is probably the most insane flashlight that I have owned. It is big and it is solid titanium. This is the Firefly's E07. Runs on the Onduril user interface. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have, of course, let's see if we can show that off a little better. We have the LEDs, the auxiliary LEDs that glow blue, and there's a bunch of different settings that you can do there. Let's turn it back to, of course, the safety mode, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn it on, and it gets very bright. The capability of this flashlight is something around 6,500 to 7,000 lumens. I will include, of course, the battery. So you'll have a battery. You'll need to, if you don't have a charger, you'll need to make sure you have a charger for that. The original box, of course, the instructions, which are very important for the on-rail user interface because it is complicated at first, but you'll get the hang of it. I believe those go, if you can find them, for something like $200. Nice flashlight, big and bulky, made out of titanium, really cool, really fun. You know, whether you're a flashlight person or not, it's just really interesting. It's one of the coolest flashlights that I have picked up, but I think somebody will really enjoy that. Then I've got two Spydercos here. What are they? I think you guys already know. The first one is the Spyderco Smock in M4, the Blade HQ exclusive. I know what these are going for on eBay right now, so I think somebody will be really happy winning that. And then, of course, the second one. I have two of these. If you've been watching my content, you'll know how I ended up with two of them. I paid for both of these. Blade HQ did not give them to me. I didn't get to cut in line. I bought both of them. So there are two of those to give away. You know, we should probably get these things out and let the flashlight out so you guys can see that and have it all grouped together in the same place. And then I have one more item. I think this might come as a surprise to you, but I kind of came to this conclusion after, you know, kind of dipping my feet into this. I have a watch to give away. This is a Seiko Samurai. These are my favorite watches. In fact, I actually own a total of 3 of them. Nick Shabazz got me into watches. The guy that says don't get into watches. He started me with this one. I ended up buying 2 more. And the newest ones that I have are similar, but this is the one that I've been wearing all the time. So I thought this other one, this other poor Seiko Samurai, that's really beautiful. It's black and has the waffle dial, right? It sits, and I don't want it to sit. I want somebody to have this. This is brand new. It'll come with all the links and everything. It's really easy to take the links out and get it fitted. It'll also come, of course, with its original box and the instruction manual. This is an automatic diver's watch, so it is waterproof up to 200 meters. These things are excellent. I don't have an enormous amount of experience with watches, but I have had such good luck with the Seiko Samurai. These are about $350. So if you're a watch person, I imagine that you'll probably, you know, be happy with that. If you're not a watch person, this is a nice watch. I would say, you know, this is the type of thing that could get people into watches, right? So you may discover a new type of love there with something like this. But I just thought, you know, as much as the Seiko Samurai brought me joy, it might bring some other people joy. So this is what we're going to be giving away for $60,000. I hope you guys are excited. There's a lot of nice stuff here. In the past, I've given away something like 15 different items, and we had a bunch of like budget stuff, and maybe we had $5,000 prizes. Sticking to 5 really nice items, some knives, a flashlight, and a watch, right? Different things. There's something here for everybody. So definitely something to get excited about. Some rare stuff. Some, you know, there's a US made item for sure. This allows me to keep control over the live stream. It also makes the following week much easier, having to mail out 5 items instead of 15. But I wanted to make sure the 5 items that I was giving away were cool items, stuff that people wanted, and I wanted to, you know, really say thank you by giving this stuff away. So I hope you guys are excited. I hope you guys will join me this Friday, August 27th at 9 p.m. Central Standard Time for the live giveaway. Like I said, it'll be a 1-hour event. It's usually pretty crazy, pretty fun. Yeah, I really just want to say thank you to everybody for being involved with the channel and just being here. This has not only been a fun experience for me, but a positive experience for me. As I've said many times, I feel lucky that my comment section is so positive. There are so many people there who are just good, and you know, there are every now and then people who are negative or people who are salty or fire starters. That happens, but not, I mean, not a lot. It's mostly been pretty great, right? So that's, yeah, I want to make sure and say thank you as often as possible. You can only win 1 item, by the way, so on the off chance that your name actually gets drawn twice, we will have to redraw. I think I went over everything. There will probably be a lot of comments, but if you do have questions, please feel free to ask your question in the comments. That can be your entry if you want, and I will try to answer it. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it. I'm excited. I hope you are too. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.